Just be careful.
Scared? It's on. Whoa! Another go.
One more go and Brooke can have a go. Right, that's it. That's it now.
Let me get out of the way. Keep the dog in it. I don't want to do it. That's it.
Any bit?
I'll do it. Oh! Hold it right at the top then.
No, because you got the light with the hammer.
No.
Go on, one more go then.
Oh, shit, 3. I'm on 3. I'm on 3. Did it? Yeah.
Right, you have one go.
Oh. What is it?
Careful, watch the...
Dog.
No, the washing machine. We're keeping the washing machine.
Dad, watch the fish tank.
Alright. Right.
One more go.
One more then, one little one. Right, that's it.
Oh, it's class and I just work.
Can't I get them in
Yeah.
the camera?
Oh, this is it. Do you grab it?
Yeah, this one right there. I'll just knock this one out with you.
This is fun.
What are you doing, Dad?
Should do this more often when Mum's not here. Do you do? Or knock the...
Knock the top off the fish down. Towels come off.
Oh, can we smash all the towels? Oh, this is so fun.
Well, your mum said tidy up.
It was Bracken.
So we'll just tidy everything up.
It was Bracken, not us.
Stinks. It smells like that.
Blame on the fish tank.
Hello.
That was fun.